For me, it's for both teams, it's a match ball. When the team that get the victory will get the qualify for round 16 and continue playing in the World Cup. The other team is a pity, but has to go home. My prediction, I think that Argentina was more experienced in World Cup, was one of the most important players in the history of the football. It's true that nowadays is a little bit decreased. His performance is not like 2-3 years ago, but even that is an important player, more important player in Argentina, and all team play football for Messi can score goal. For example, the last match against Messi scored goal when the match was difficult. He appeared and shoot to the goal and score. And also Poland is an important team. His players, most of them, they are playing in Europe, in National League from German, and has also very important players like Lewandowski, that he can score goals in what moment. For that reason, I hope that the people enjoy with the match, and I don't know what will be the final score, but I think that Messi and Argentina will win the match.